Kids TV.
Oh, hello, kids. Welcome to Fun and Learn.
Hello!
Hi, Granny. What are we doing today? Today we're going to have fun with slime.
What? Wow! Yay!
See what we find inside this yellow slime. Looks like a ladybird, but it's orange with blue spots. Let's open another one. And it's green slime.
Let's see what's inside. Ugh. Oh, I know. This is a scorpion.
That's correct.
An orange-colored scorpion.
Ooh, purple slime.
I kinda like it.
I find it so funny. What could be inside that slime? It looks purple. What is it, Sharky?
Oh, I know. It's a dragonfly.
That's correct. It's purple with blue spots. Let's open another one. It's got blue slime inside. Ew. Ew. That doesn't look nice.
What? It looks so pretty. It looks like water.
It looks like Vaseline. What could that be, children? Look at that. It's a snail.
Now we'll play with green slime. Looks so icky.
You like slime.
Icky sticky. What's inside? Okay. I see another insect. It looks like a beetle.
That's correct, Sharky. You are so intelligent. Now let's open another one. Oh, this has got red slime. Look at that. So what's inside this slime? Oh, look at that. It's a caterpillar. That was fun with slime.
If you want to watch more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.